Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a playlist on YouTube. You've already learned how to upload individual videos to YouTube that you've created and embed them, but you can also put several videos together in a playlist. You can specify the order of the videos in that playlist, and then you can embed the playlist in its entirety the same way you would embed a single video. And what that allows you to do is play a series of videos in succession. So you are going to be using this for our assignment in the current module where you will be working together with your group to create a video, and you'll each be creating pieces of it and then you'll put them together in a playlist. So let's take a look at setting up a YouTube playlist. I'm logged into my Laverne Gmail account and I'm going to click on the grid to open the apps. And remember, YouTube rarely shows up on the first page of apps, so I'm going to click More and then click YouTube to open my YouTube channel. If you have not recently signed in, you'll have to do that second step sign in by clicking the blue sign in button that appears up here in the corner. But once you do that, then you're set and you're all signed in and ready to go. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, you're going to find the drop-down menu here next to the YouTube logo, and you will see that one of the options there is playlists. If I click on that link, it takes me to any playlists that I've already created, and I can either edit the playlists that are here, or I can use this button to create a new playlist. So I'm going to say create new playlist, and I'm going to call this fairy tale, and I can set right here, I can set it to be public or unlisted. I'm going to make it unlisted just because I don't feel the need to share it with the entire world, and say create. And once you do that, it's created the playlist. Currently, there are no videos added to this playlist. But to do that, to add videos, it's very simple. I can just click this add video button and a new window pops up with several options for adding videos to my playlist. The first option is I can do a video search of things already uploaded to YouTube. So if I do a search for University of Laverne, it's going to pull up any videos related to that topic. Then you can peruse the list of results, and if you see one that you think you would like to include in your playlist, you would just click on it. So this one is a tour of the new dorm, so I'm going to click on that, and then I can say select, and it will automatically add that video to my playlist. I can then go back and add another video if I click that button again, and I can also add a video by URL. So if I'm collaborating with a group of people who have each created their own individual videos, I would just have those people email me the URL for their video, and I would plug it in here in that box. So I would take the URL of the video that's already on YouTube, paste it there, and it's going to pull up a preview. So this is a video I took of a cakewalk for somebody at work who didn't know what a cakewalk was. So it will give you a preview so you can check and make sure it's the correct video, and if it is, you just click select. And then it will add that to the list here along with my new Vista Laverne dorm tour. Then I can go back and add a video a third way, which is looking at my YouTube videos. So any videos that I've uploaded to this YouTube channel will show up, and I can select any of those to embed. So I'll pick this one and say select, and it will add that to the list as well. Once all of the videos are here, I can just click and drag to change the order, and I can do other edits. I can edit the name of the playlist. This really doesn't have anything to do with a fairy tale, so I'm going to rename that as random and say done. And you can also share from here. So if I click this share button, you'll see the same options that you would see with any other YouTube video. The difference is, rather than sharing the individual videos that are part of this playlist, it has one URL that plays the entire thing. So I can take the direct URL for the playlist, or I can embed the playlist just like I would any other video. So that's how you create a playlist in YouTube. Remember, you start with your University of Laverne Gmail and the apps menu, select YouTube, open your YouTube channel, sign in a second time if needed, click the drop down menu, choose playlists, and then use the create button to create a new playlist. Remember, there are 3 ways to add videos to your playlist. You can add by searching within YouTube, you can add by URL, or you can add anything that has been uploaded to your YouTube channel. So that's how you create a playlist using YouTube.